Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create B-rolls for TikTok and other social media platforms. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website here and then just navigate here to templates and then click here. So after you click here on templates, let's just say go here to design type and then click on social media and then search for TikTok. So you'll find many TikTok templates here. So just select one of the templates. Let's just select this one and then click here. So as you can see, there's a ready-made TikTok template here. So if you want to add your video here, just go here to upload and then click on upload files, and after that just upload your video, and after you upload your video just click on it and drag it here to the template. So after that, your reel will be created with the help of Canva for TikTok. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.